When attaching the BodyWorn holster inside the vest carrier, first align the lens with the grommet. Then snap the holster in from the top to bottom. When secured in place, pull on the vest carrier and inspect that the lens is seated correctly. Here is an example of an improperly seated camera holster. Be sure to align the lens before snapping in place. Failure to do so could result in the camera lens being obstructed or loose. When installing the BodyWorn camera, make sure that the camera clicks into the holster and then listen for the audio confirmation notification. Visually inspect camera lens to be sure it is properly lined up through the lens portal. Then give the vest a couple of tugs to ensure that the BodyWorn device is secure. Press the appropriate button on the media controller for a system check to confirm that the BodyWorn device is mounted.
Not recording. Mounted. Wi-Fi connected.
Congratulations, you have installed the BodyWorn camera correctly and are ready to properly record valuable evidence. Welcome to the BodyWorn family.